It's our second last day in Japan and we're in Kyoto, and today we're going to check out the bamboo forest. It's very early in the morning. I'm tired.
Were we going to come here last night?
We were, but we didn't.
Yeah.
So anyway, subscribe, like and share. Let's check out the bamboo forest, which is right ahead of us. What's the story of the bamboo forest, Mike?
Okay, so in the 12th, 13th century,
BS somewhere. Come on. Yep.
so it was used as a defensive mechanism because it's really, really thick. So what you do is you cut the pathways through to get to the houses because you need to park your car.
In the 12th century?
Yes.
Yep.
12th century cars. Japan, remember?
Yep.
They're a lot further technologically advanced than the rest of it.
Yep.
So what you do is, because it's very hard to see through and you can't spot the pandas because they're green.
Love the Korean tourists.
Much later.
We are now gonna try rent a bicycle like me and Mark did 10 years ago. I want one with electric engine. I want the one with the pretty basket. Apart from the brakes being shonky, it's surprisingly easy to ride. It's been a while since I've been on a bicycle. So while the girls are getting dressed, na zdrowie. We're having some popular Kyoto beer.
There was a guy across the street. He was looking at me drinking a beer while he was eating his ice cream.
Did he want a beer?
I think
he wants a beer.
I think his wife had an ice cream as well.
That's Kiyomiya Kyoto traditional beer made using Kyoto's famous high quality water from the Monomo well. Sounds good. Probably that's where Timmy fell down. What's the second one?
Sure.
A type of Alto beer made inside Kimiya China.
What's an Alto beer?
Ooh, that's nice. India Pale, the third one.
Okay.
Oh, the India Pale is nice too.